What's up, guys? Random for the Panini 2-box teams number 2. That made 0 cents, but that's what I said. What is up with my mouse? Timestamp 504. Holy crap. It's like going super fast. Already got the teams in. Dice has to be 4 or more. Wherever you line up on the spreadsheet, guys, that's who you're going to get. It's a 3. We're rolling again. It's a 4. Okay, wow. 3 and then a 4. That's surprising. 2, 3, and 4. Texans on top. Giants are on the bottom. That's not right. There's only 30 spots. There should be 31. Let me go back to the names. Who's in the 31 hole? Richard Gomez. For some reason, did not go in there. Alright, there we go. Guys, that's who you have. Good luck, everybody. And we are done. 505. Thanks, guys.